Comes Lenny's first friend on the property. This is Dan. He's got a flexible. He made it. Turbos let him know he did a good job. So we just temporarily hooked up an inverter on Dan's bus. On the way here yesterday, he was driving through a really bad rainstorm and it shorted out his power inverter. So I have a spare inverter, just a cheapo 2500 watt, 5000 peak modified sine wave inverter. So I just hooked that up for him, so now he can run his fridge and everything off of his inverter. He's got a bunch of solar on his bus too, so he'll be okay with that, and that should get him home. But luckily I had a spare one here. Temporarily we had him hooked up on a buddy plug off of our solar until we got that hooked up. So, but yeah, it's wired and it's working, so he's good.